Hi, so today we'll discuss about how to make and receive the calls through IVR, PSTN mode. So as we all know that there are a couple of modes there in order to make the calls. So the normal SIM based is there, and in IVR IVR based is also there. So in IVR there are two modes. One is PSTN, other one is WebRTC or the VoIP. PSTN is basically the SIM based calling, and the VoIP is basically the internet based calling. So obviously while using the mobile application, if we have taken IVR, then only the PSTN will work. So now what we need to do is we need to understand that how to make the PSTN calls and how the virtual number comes into the play. So as we all know that initially what we need to do is we need to log in through our user credentials in the mobile application. Once we log in, the first screen that we come across is the screen. This is the main screen from where we can make the calls in couple of ways, like from start calling, from my campaigns, from my leads, from filter voice, and from the walk-in leads as well. Now what we need to do is we need to create a walk-in lead. We have already created a lead, and from here we need to understand that how to make the calls, and then how the IVR works, how virtual number comes into the play, and how to make it, and we'll able to check the details. So yes, regarding the user portal we have other videos also, so we can just have a look at it. So we'll get more brief about the user portal regarding all the features. So for now, in order to make the call, what we'll do, we'll simply click on walk-in leads. I've already created a lead, so what I'll do is I'll simply click on that lead. I'll get all the details. Now the IVR PSTN, the SIM based IVR, has been activated in this account. So whenever I'll initiate a call, that IVR will work. So we need to understand how it works. So simply, in order to make the calls, I click on call now. We need to wait. We'll receive a call from a virtual number. First, being a user, when we initiate a call, first we will receive a call from a virtual number like this. A call came in. Okay, so over here what we need to do is we simply need to receive it. Once we receive, okay, so what happened is basically whenever we initiate a call, a virtual number comes into the play. We need to receive it. Then the call will get connected to the person or to the customer, whomever we are trying to reach out. So it will go to that particular person. Once that particular person also receives it, then the call will get connected between a user and a customer. Okay, so this is how the outgoing works. Now, and along with while being on call itself, we can simply dispose it, like dispose lead and not connecting is connected, we can make it off. Along with that, what we need to do is, if in case for the incoming calls, how it works. For the incoming calls, if the person, whenever we initiate a call, the person or the customer will also receive the call from a virtual number itself. From the whatever the virtual number is being given, is being associated with a particular account, that particular virtual number would be visible to them. Then what they can do is they can simply call on that virtual number. Okay, once that particular person calls on the virtual number, then what will happen, we'll need to discuss about that. So I'll just make a call from that particular phone, and from in that particular virtual number itself. So as we can see, we're receiving a call. And I'll just simply pick it up, and then we'll see how it works. Okay. So we have seen one thing, that whenever the customer or the person, whoever we have reached out, whenever that particular person is making a call on that particular virtual number from where they have received the call, then the call will automatically come to that particular user. And once the user picks it up, we have already seen that we are getting a complete clarity that who has called, in which particular campaign the lead has been created, along with the status and stages as well. Now if we just go back again, there is a call logs option as well. If we just simply click on call logs, we can see that while being on call itself, okay, automatically a call log has also been created. So whenever an incoming call comes in, we just need to pick it up. Once we picks up, automatically a log will get created with that particular number, name, and in whatever the campaign has been created, along with the call details. Then after that, we can simply click on that lead, and then we'll be able to check all the details, whatever the details we are having. Even whenever we pick it up, we get a particular lead card where it was showing that who has called, and along with that the basic details, that in which campaign is created, the name, the status, stage, and there's a view option as well. If we just simply click on that view option also, automatically it will redirect us to this particular lead itself. And then accordingly, while being on call itself, we can simply click on dispose lead, and whatever the scenario would be, we can just mark it as connected, not connected, and we can simply dispose it. So this is how the basic IVR PSTN works, and the virtual number comes into the play. So in IVR, we don't need to, like, all the incoming calls will easily get monitored automatically. Whenever an incoming call comes in, a lead will get created, and then after that we can just dispose it. So this is how the IVR PSTN works. Thank you.